Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Carla, and welcome to the video. So for today's video guys, as you can see sa title and sa thumbnail, is magbabayad po tayo ng ating bill is dahil nga nag-overdue na tayo ng 7 days dahil delay yung sahod. And let's pretend guys na meron tayong bill is loan pero wala kang GCash. So, ibig sabihin, magbabayad ka through GCash pero hindi mo account. For example, punta lang ako ng tindahan and then I will present my QR code at saka yung tindahan na po yung magbabayad ng aking bill is utang. And at the same time, babayaran ko siya in cash. So, let me reiterate how I will do it. So, without any further ado guys, let me start the tutorial. So, unang-una mong gagawin guys, as you can see, meron akong 1,259 pesos na due. And what I will do is, I will pay it installment and tap pay now. As you can see guys, eto na yung QR code na na-generate ko gamit yung aking bill is account. And I will download this QR code from QRPH dahil ito yung gagamitan natin na QR code sa pag-present natin kapag nagpapabayad tayo ng ating bill is utang sa tindahan. Let's say for example, no, dahil wala kang ang GCash and gusto mong makatipid gamit this QRPH na code. So yeah, let's go. Samahan niyo ako, punta tayo ng tindahan. So pansamantala guys, ginawa ko munang model yung tindera po mismo ng tindahan. So, ayan, nagbayad na ako kay tita. And, yan. So, guys, sobrang dali lang nang gagawin. Open mo lang yung GCash Express Send. And, kung meron ng QR code, iscan mo lang yan. And then, automatically, madidirect siya papunta dito sa payment. And, ayan, piliin mo lang yung payment method. So, ayan, GCash. And, automatically, guys, deduct na siya sa GCash ng tindahan and ikaw naman is declared na nakapagbayad na yung bill is loan. So yeah, so that's it for today's video guys. I hope you guys did get something from me today. So see you guys on my next one. Bye, peace.